Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how to. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to like notes on Instagram. So first is you have to make sure that you have the latest version of the application. So just go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. And then if you see the option where it says updates, you just have to click on it. So you'll have all of the features on Instagram. Then after updating your application, you'll then just have to open it once again. So just go to your Instagram application. Right here, just click on the messenger icon, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then right here, you'll be able to see the notes of your friends. So to like this note, all you have to do is to click on it. And right here, just have to click on this heart button or heart icon. And then after that, as you can see, you have successfully liked your friends' notes on Instagram. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.